Hello students. In class we have seen precision half wave rectifier. Now here I am going to explain you precision full wave rectifier wherein two op amps are used as shown in the circuit. So you can see in first op amp it is showing you inverting configuration wherein non-inverting terminal is grounded and input is applied to the inverting terminal. Then at the output of the first op amp, you can see there are two diodes connected, diodes D1 and D2. Now these diodes will help only to make this circuit work as precision full wave rectifier. Now we will see working of this circuit. So very first, when input is applied to inverting terminal of the first op amp, you can see it can have positive and negative half cycles. So when the input signal is having positive half cycle, that is when Vi is greater than 0. Since it is inverting configuration, output will be negative. So with that, you can see that diode D1 will be on and diode D2 will be off because D1 is forward biased and D2 is reverse biased. And because of this, D2 will act as an open circuit. It will not appear in over there and D1 will act as short circuit, and so the equivalent circuit can be seen as shown in diagram 2. Now you can see in this diagram, since the input is greater than 0, so output VO dash of first op amp will be negative. The same input is given as same output is given as input to the second op amp, and therefore second op amp is also showing inverting configuration. Its output will be positive. It means what? For positive half cycle, we are getting positive at the output. Now, if the input is less than 0, then you can see if input is less than 0, its output will be positive. Because of this, diode D1 becomes off since it is reverse biased. You can refer the first diagram for seeing this, and diode D1 becomes reverse biased, so it becomes off, and diode D2 is forward biased, so it becomes on, and therefore equivalent circuit for the first diagram can be given like this. Now you can see this R plus R, it means what? First R is for first op amp and second R is the R connected to the second op amp. You can refer first diagram. Now, since this is the equivalent circuit wherein when the input is negative, its output will be positive because it is inverting configuration. And the same output is given as input to another op amp which is working like an means you can say it is working like a non-inverting amplifier. Why? Because you can see inverting terminal of second op amp, it is going through this R to the V2 terminal of first op amp. Now, since first op amp's non-inverting terminal is grounded, with the concept of virtual ground, V2 is always equal to 0 because of virtual ground concept. Now, since V2 is 0, you can see the second op amp becomes non-inverting amplifier, non-inverting configuration, and because of that, when the positive input is applied to that op amp, its output is again a positive one. It means what? For negative half cycle of the input of first op amp, the output is again positive, and that's why we can say कि for both the half cycles output is positive, and that's why we can say that the circuit is working like a full wave rectifier. But why precision? Because it is giving us a precise output, and I have already explained it to you what is meant, what is the significance of this precision, which precision rectifier, which we also say as an ideal diode. Okay, so prepare this. You can write theory accordingly as I explained, and the circuit diagrams I have already shown to you. Thank you.